Not to be dramatic, but these cruise packing hacks, they completely change the way I travel. You'll pack lighter, you'll have more outfit options, and you'll honestly wonder why you didn't do this sooner. Hi friends, I'm Austin from Wave Wanderer Cruises, and today I'm packing for an upcoming cruise, but this time, I'm using smart tricks from seasoned cruisers, plus a few new favorites I've discovered myself. If you want to pack lighter, smarter, and more intentionally, this is for you. Alright, let's jump in. First, turn any backpack into an anti-theft bag. I use small zipper clips to lock the two zippers together. That's it, simple, especially helpful if you're cruising the Mediterranean where pickpocketing can happen. It gives real peace of mind. Next, packing dresses without wrinkles. Instead of folding them into cubes, try packing them on foldable travel hangers. Lay them flat at the bottom of your suitcase. Add a plastic dry cleaner sheet on top, then pack everything else. I tried this recently. 0 wrinkles. And unpacking. So easy. Now let's talk outfits. Don't pack random pieces, pack full outfits. Check your itinerary. Check the weather. Be intentional. My simple cruise formula: 3 tops, 3 bottoms, 3 dresses, 3 layering pieces, 3 bags. Everything mixes and matches. That's 30 outfit combinations for a 7 to 14-day cruise. It works, and it keeps you from overpacking. Next, create a mini charging station in your cabin. Cruise cabins never have enough outlets. A universal travel adapter with multiple USB ports keeps everything charging in one organized spot. Phone, watch, tablet, done. No chaos. Equals multiple styles, effortless. Mini everything. Travel size toiletries, compact razors, refillable pouches. Use every inch of space. Pack sunscreen or a swimsuit inside your tote. Slide small bags into shoes. Use shower caps or grocery bags over dirty shoes. Nothing wasted. Compression packing cubes? Still obsessed. Compressed for bulky items. Uncompressed for easy drawer organization on board. And if you're cruising somewhere cold like Alaska, vacuum bags for puffer jackets are amazing. Last, laundry is your friend. Check if your ship has self-serve machines or laundry perks. Doing one load mid-cruise means packing half as much. And going home with clean clothes. Even better. Packing doesn't have to be stressful. With a few smart tweaks, you'll feel organized, confident, and ready to enjoy every moment of your cruise. Now tell me, what's your favorite cruise packing hack? If you like my video, hit the bell icon, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.